Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And as you can see from the title, this video is going to be a little bit of difference, a little different, because I was asked how do I customize my screen. So let's be clear, I got some of my inspiration from Lux Note Digital. I watched her decorate her screen one video a while back, and I also watched Raw Elements, who told me how to get these Pinterest boards on my screen. So the first thing I want you to know is that I use Widgetsmith and I use Pinterest boards. So you just long press on your screen and you hit edit. If you don't have Widgetsmith, then you need to download that app, because that allows me to get the calendar and other apps on your screen. And as you can see, you can put your task on there. Sometimes I'll put that on there, especially if you need it. You can change it and put your Google Calendar on there. You can have your pictures flowing on there. I don't experiment with a lot of those things, but all of these things over here on the side. And I have paid for color widgets before. I probably deleted the subscription. Oh, I don't know. You can put a Chat GPT widget. Oh, I'm about to put that on there today. We'll see. I don't want to do that right now, but I will show you. But what I normally use is the Widgetsmith down here at the bottom. And I use the Pinterest board. So let's do the Pinterest boards first, because I know they're easier. You just hit the Pinterest board, and you have to find the one that say board, because I was trying to practice and I was hitting this one. That's not the right one. I had to go back and watch Raw Elements. So you see how it says choose a board? Well, then you pick the size. So you don't want these regular ones. You want to slide all the way over till you get to boards. You could do a small board. You could do this larger board. Edit widget, choose interest to get started. I don't know what that is. I've never used those. So this is the one I use. Now you do need to be logged into your Pinterest, and you do need to create boards. So once you add that to your home screen, then you click. Well, tap it. So it's already pulling in my Pinterest because I'm logged in under Patricia Kent. And then I choose a board. So I'm going to choose one of my boards. No, I don't want me to do it. Oh, sorry. I don't know if y'all saw my last video, but my school system don't let us do nothing no more. So you got to get off of that. Let's see if that fixed the problem. Edit widget. Right, so I couldn't be on my school Wi-Fi. All right, so I can pick Girl Motivation or 2024, and I am going to go to Pinterest and show you what I'm talking about. So I just pick one of those, and then I want mine to change every hour. You can choose daily, which means you'll get an inspiration every day, or it can change, and I just let mine rotate. So we're going to choose hourly, and then see how that's the one that's there. Then the next hour, it would change. Now, if I changed it to the other one, motivation, it will pick from that group. I need to go create some more inspirations, and it might take a minute to populate, but that's the one that is on now. Now I'm going to delete this because I don't need it. And then you can arrange them, remove widget. You can arrange them on your screen any way you want. So let's go over to Pinterest, because you probably have to set this up first if you are a Pinterest lover, as we all are. And you want to go to your boards, right? So I have Girl Motivation in 2024. So I could create another board, and everything that you save to that board is going to pop up. Okay, so these are all the ones I've saved to Girl Motivation. So these are the ones that pop up on my screen every hour. Okay, and then when I want to, and the other one is called 2024. I just named it that. So anything I saw, inspiration, girl boss, that's how I was feeling in 2024. I guess I need to do a 2025. This was on there when I woke up, this TikTok one. And you can see now the other one is on there. And so the next hour, another one will change. So you can create as many boards as you want, and you can put as many of these inspiration on your home screen. And I have an iPad mini, and I have an iPad 11-inch. And just real quick, I don't know if you can see it. You can see it because I can hold it up to the camera. As you can see, the inspiration on these are different. And I also have a background that's different where focus is in the middle. And you can see I have my task on here. And so you can rearrange them different. Let's see. I added some new things. So these icons are not supposed to be there. So I need to update my iPad. And I don't know if my mini is charged. And I don't think I've set my mini up. I don't know if my mini is charged. So this is my mini. It has a coach cover. I don't even use this. I only like it because it got the coach screen. The coach screen. I realize I don't know what I be talking about. And why I have such a hard time. So anyway, I just love this cover. It looks like a little A5 or something. I don't know. Is that the right size? And then inside of this coach cover, I just stuck the iPad mini. Let's see if it's charged. I did charge. Oh, it is charged. It does not have, which I probably will do today. Oh, it does. Okay. Okay, Lynn. So it does have the boards on there, or they might just be images. I don't know. Because you can do that too. I'll show you in a minute. Okay. So that's what my home screen looks like. They all need to be updated. Now, once you figure out if you want Pinterest boards or whatever you want, you can also add widgets, which I have this big calendar sitting here, as you can see. And then I have a time on here as well. They're two separate widgets. So if you long press again, oh, and my logo for my YouTube channel, The Dominating Teacher, is an image, okay? And so with those, I use Widgetsmith. So you come down to widget and you can actually put photos. So you choose the size. I think I had a medium. No, the image is large. Add to your home screen. See how it's already set? So you want to type it. And see, you have to set your widgets up first. So I already have these photos set up. So that says widget number 2. Please choose a photo. Okay, so now I need to go in on widget number 2 and choose a photo. So let's go to add widget. I might have to go to widget space through here. So I'm going to log into widget space, and I think you have to create the widgets first. Okay, so let's go back. Once you create the widget, then you can go to the widget space and add it, and then you get to choose which widget you want. So we're going to push down here, and we're going to type in Widgetsmith once you download it, and now you need to go create all your widgets, okay? And so you can choose, and these are the ones I've created over time. So you can choose a small widget, teacher problems. That's on my iPad 11-inch. You saw that. These are some t-shirts that I was getting made, so I just turned those into widget. Those are one of my AIs. There's my large widget. So now we're going to add a large widget, and see how widget number 2 you need to choose the photo. Once I choose the photo, it will populate on my home screen. I would assume here you would add a small widget, here you would add a medium widget, and here you would add a large widget. So let's just go ahead and add a large widget. Now you can tell the widget what you want, okay? So we just did photo. I really don't play with all this stuff. Allow access to my camera. You could do a custom text. That's fun. You could do time. See, that's where I got the calendar from. And then you can do different versions of the time. Girl, it's so much play with it. You could do music. Currently, hourly, the weather, upcoming events along with your calendar, and you could do your reminders. Okay, so you got to play with it. You could go with theme. Okay, I don't know what none of this stuff is. You can go with album, live photos, portrait, long exposure. I never do that stuff. Not interested. Okay, so let's just going to add a photo, and then I would go to my photo library and just pick a photo. So you got to follow the steps on it. Once you do that, you hit photo, and then you choose the photo, or you can go to your files. So this is my new brand. So now we got her. Save. So now we need to pick large widget number 4. And the same process, guys, goes with this. See how I pick medium? That's what the time is. So my time is medium. And my clock here is extra large widgets. Okay, so that's where my clock is. And I never saw this when your text here. This is a text widget. Okay, that's new for me because I don't come in here that often. Circular widgets. I didn't even know they had a circular widget. Rectangular widgets, and you can add an action. So this is where you create all the fun. Okay, so once you created all the fun, then you go back to your screen. Choose a photo. No, I don't want to do that. I just want a long press on it. Edit widget. And we're going to change that from number 2 to number 4. No, girl, 4. There we go. That's it. And these move around wherever you want them. Okay? I kind of like her, so she might stay. And I might get rid of the that one and put it on something else. I don't know. But that's where we're at. This is my Apple calendar. And so everything that pops up on here, it'll show. So when you click these, it'll take you to those websites too. So this takes me to Pinterest. Well, that didn't. This one takes me to Pinterest. Oh, that's an image. Sorry. Yeah, so if you click the Pinterest, it'll literally take you to Pinterest too. And you can switch up, change, do whatever you want to do. So that's how I do it. That's it. It ain't nothing special. You all know you go to get the dominating teacher. That's just my background. If you wanted to change the background to all black or whatever, you know, black is my color. Y'all see I wear black every day. I do not be wearing the same clothes. I got the same black leggings. I know 50 of them. The same ones. They come from CVS. They $8.99 and they so breathable. When I say that, they just move with you. So I go in there and I buy 8 or 9 of them, add them to my collection, get rid of the ones that got holes in them because they do wear it very easy, but that don't bother me. They were $8.99. And that's it, guys. I don't do nothing else. There's nothing else on my home screen. So that's how I customize my home screen. I hope that helped. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to grow. I really want to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. The way I'm going is not going to work. But if you could share out my video or, you know, you got any recommendations on how to grow this channel, things I can do to help you all, that could help somebody else, I would greatly appreciate it. I do try to get back to you all with the things that you ask of me. I do love the comments and criticisms. It doesn't bother me. Yeah, it hurts your feelings every now and then, but I'm a big girl. I can take it. Okay, and I got to learn not to try to justify what I do, but, you know, just accept the things that they are. I'm not perfect. I don't come on here to be perfect. I love talking to you all. I love helping. I love when you comment. I love when you teach me things, and I feel like we can grow together. When I hit 3,000, maybe 2,000 subscribers, I need another good 1,000 subscribers who subscribe to my channel because they wanted to, not because I asked them to. A lot of my subscribers came from my family and friends. They don't really care about my videos. They just help me succeed. But now I need to grow an audience, and I would love to go live and do a lot of more fun things with you all. The freebies are coming back. I told you that the other day. I'm working on everything to get it set up for stickers are coming out on Friday, which is tomorrow, so I need to work on that. I'm going to send you a picture of my new screen setup. Once I say something, I got to do it right. Yeah, I'm going to take a picture because I brought in, my dad gave me, I want to say this is a 27-inch or a 30-something inch screen. Oh, my God. I don't think I ever have to leave work. Because I could just work right here. I don't know, when it was at home, I didn't use it. But yesterday, the kids like, Miss Kent, why are you so extra? Because I am. I love technology. I love new things. I love all things technology. If I had money, oh my God, I would buy a new laptop every school year, and I would give away the one I got. It don't bother me, but I don't have money like that. And I do need a new phone, which I said I was not going to get because I have the 14, and I need all of them to have C chargers. Isn't that petty? I need all my devices to use the same charger, and then I'm going to be straight. So I need a new No, I think the iPad's 6. This is a 6. But of course, you know I want the 7. Why? I don't use this one. But I was thinking I could get this to my daughter. She likes to journal and write down her bills and stuff. And I was like, I could pay for her to get the little GoodNotes or the Noteful app. And then she is 28 years old. And then I could get the 7. And then, you know, hey. But I'm not. I'm going to be good. I'm on a budget. But anyway, guys, until next time, happy planning.